thought there was like a cat or something in there, man.
Just fucking around. Wait, don't.
Is it a cat or
I don't know what
a
it is.
possum maybe, huh?
Is there possums here?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, there's possums.
That was hilarious. It's some sort of animal. Oh, look, there's a bird next to
I'd like to know more about the animals that are around here.
Yo! What are you? It's okay.
It's an animal, though, eh?
Yeah, you can smell it. It's musky. Oh, it's musky.
Something is pissed.
What the hell is it? What are you?
Where's that chair? Stay back.
I saw poop of some sort.
It's probably
A raccoon?
It's probably pooping. Raccoon is a good call.
It could be. I never heard of raccoon, but when they growled with us camping, the guys would get in the
No, there's something listening to flying out. I had my light. It's okay, man.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Go by that.
I don't know if it's in there.
Or around the corner right here. Yo. It's like right there.
You run into the
Yeah,
run
don't
in there.
block the exit ways, guys.
I just don't want you to run into the basement. Careful.
Oh yeah, maybe we should close that just in, oh, we can't.
that's why I was standing. Like, don't run into me before you run into the basement. Oh, good.
Okay, ready? Like that's really.
control car. It's fucking weird.
It's weird. It could be a possum though, cause they sound
Or a raccoon. Some weird night thing that where he's like, that's the weirdest sound ever.
Hey man, yo. It was Derek. Hey guys, get in here. Let Derek deal with it. There's a window right here.
Is it that thing's gravity? Oh, I've never heard an animal make that kind of noise just from somebody approaching.
Guys, but look, there's a window here. Let's wait and see if something comes out. Yeah.
Stay back over there, Brandon. Can you see if you
He's with us.
He's with us, Karen. Don't worry. No, I wouldn't.